Come closer. Welcome to today's video. We are again at the farm, inspecting the conditions of the goats. As you can see, close. We have no any major case, any serious case. Come closer, Caribbean. Everything is okay. The 6 goats, we have already attended them. They are now okay. Hakuna any goat that has any difficulty or any problem. Goat is sawa. We are still learning. You can see it has rained a lot, so we have kept them here. You see their progress, how they are. Look at that back. It's a very good back. 2-month-old. Very good for breeding. You can see. Look at the ears. Look at the size of the ears. Take pictures also. Ukiona size of the ear iko sawa. Frame yake iko sawa. Very good for breeding, but not for sale. It's ours for breeding. Look at this. She's a pregnant mother. Expectant. You have one goat here. This one. This is the goat that is not okay. Come on, Angalia. You see this goat? This goat has a problem. And when you see your goat has this problem, this is how you attend it. You see here, cameraman, are you seeing here? This goat has mastitis. This is mastitis. Na hivi ndio una treat mastitis. You can see. Use warm water. Unatumia warm water kuimassage. You massage it with warm water. You see it's painful because mtoto wake ananyonya hii peke yake, aguzi hii. So cameraman unachukua hapa. Yeah. So hiyo unaichoma na maji moto. Alafu unapaka Aremis or Vaseline. Then itakuwa sawa, it will be okay for some days. Yeah, it has just given birth. Hii lizard at 24. As you can see, the health of mtoi bado is not that perfect because it's not getting enough milk. But some days itakuwa sawa, you start treating it. Na ya tent vizuri itakuwa tu sawa hiyo. And we will show you, we'll update you in the other videos. Utaona the way it will be. Everything is okay, hakuna problem. The goats are okay. This is another back. Very aggressive. Very aggressive. Cut it. Take picture. This is 1 month old. 1 month old. As you can see. Uko mwezi moja. We have a lot of goats that are expectant. On February, we'll be having a lot of goat kids here. We don't do synchronization. We just allow the male to serve the female anytime. We don't synchronize our goats because we are ready for kidding anytime.